This is my plan to get rich with AI in 1 year. So let's start this video. Step number 1. I will not learn how to use AI apps. I will instead create one. So here we are seeing people talking about all everywhere that learn to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney and all the new tools which are coming. That is great. That is the next phase of job evolution. So that who will learn that first will have the advantage. But I want to take the full potential of this technology. Big companies like Microsoft, OpenAI, Google are going all in on AI, not by using AI apps. They are creating their own AI apps. Step number 2, the app will have these qualities. First, it will be useful to the people. Second, it will be emotionally connected to the people. Third, we are working in long-term plan. Fourth, we will market it. So let's begin one by one, okay, to each of these steps. Okay, so why will anybody use our apps? It should be useful to the society, like ChatGPT use us to create content, for example, and Midjourney help us to create images which we can use in thumbnails. So it is helping us in with our work, okay. And there are AI tools which help us in video editing. So it is helping us in our work. But there are another type of AI apps like AI Girlfriend. So AI Girlfriend is emotionally connected to the people. So when you chat with it, your conversation and that conversation are being trained, okay. Right now that there is not a AI Girlfriend app that is very high in that AI quality. But the main goal of the AI Girlfriend app is that you talk to it, it will learn from your talking and it will respond. So the advantage of it is that people are emotionally connected. So I will build some app like this, not a AI Girlfriend app, more useful app than that, okay. But it will be emotionally connected like that. And another advantage of this type of apps is that, which is emotionally connected, that first let's suppose you have built this app and you have multiple users, millions of users, and let's suppose you think that any big company see that and they will make their own AI Girlfriend app. But the thing is that they have to make it much better than yourself, because any normal people also try to build an app like you, but it is same type of your app. They will not, the users which are using your app will not move to that app. Why they will not move to that app? Because the thing is that they have their own conversations with their AI girlfriend and they are emotionally connected with her. Like this type of conversation, like, do you remember that night we were talking this type of stuff? But when they move to the another app and they don't have that conversation, and the AI girlfriend does not remember what he have the conversation before with another girlfriend. So they are connected emotionally. Hopefully you are understanding that. So if you are also trying to build that, try to take the advantage of emotions. People buy because they are emotionally connected with the stuff, not because the stuff is good. Yeah, it should be good, but if you can do emotional stuff with that, it will be skyrocket. Third, we will think in long term, and also we will have purpose with it. The thing is that we don't only want money, we have to provide value to the society. If you are watching me, my values are to provide value to the society first and after that money, okay. So we will build an app not just to grab money from people. We will build an app that will provide value to the society, and we will think in long term. We will not think in that 1 year that we will grab lot of money and we will make money in 1 year, because it is the time of AI revolution. AI is trending. But the thing is that we will not pack our bags and go to the vacation and do like this and relax. We will work and we will innovate and we will go further, okay. And so that's why we will think in long term, 20 years, 40 years, okay. And so if you are building your own AI, think in long term, what you really want to do in long term. That's what by doing that you can take the full advantage of AI revolution and do good for the society. Fourth, we will market on a social media platform, because marketing is very important. There are many apps that are built by people and that are very great, but people don't know about that. If you don't know about something, how will you use that? For example, I have built an app and somebody has built better app than me, but I have done a good marketing, then my app will be skyrocketed than that person app. But that person app is better than me, but it will not skyrocket. It will have no users. So I will choose here TikTok, because TikTok algorithm is on steroid. So this is my content making process. So I will post 4 TikToks every day on TikTok, and that will be emotionally connected with the people. We will try to evoke emotions there, not just so this is our app, this is our app. And you will be thinking that why we cannot do it 5 years later, and why we cannot do it 6 years later. The thing is that when I started learning to code when 7 years ago. But I loved that time to code, but the problem was that I quit that time. I quit because many of the apps and ideas was already built. You haven't seen in years that any app has scale like Instagram or anything like that. That's because every people are building apps from 2000 to till now, and every app idea is already built. But what happened in AI revolution is that new resources are coming every day. So what happening is people are building new type of apps. You have seen chat GPTs, you have seen Mid Journey, and they are scaling very high than any other app before. So this is an advantage. When you create the app that has never been before and it is useful to the society and it evoke emotions, it will be skyrocket. You can get 100k users in one day also if you market it well, if your TikTok views skyrocket. And also you can think that the big companies are doing that. Can a small person can do it with no budget, no connections? So I have seen many people doing that. A few days ago I seen a man 21 years old, very young, that he has built a AI web app. So what the app do is that it clone the voice of celebrities, and he is earning 100k plus a month. So when he launched the app, in a week his app get 100k plus users. It skyrocketed. So he uses social media. So what happened is that time nobody has built AI clone apps. The only people were able to clone voices were programmers. So he built the app so normal people can code without coding, can clone celebrity voice. So that become trend on TikTok. So people start using the app and telling their friends. So he started earning 100k plus month within a year. If you take the advantage of this wave, you can do this too. So, and one more step I have forgotten, which is fifth step, and that is to build apps that have never been before. We will not try to build same apps like ChatGPT. We will not try to build same apps like Clone One, because if you already built ChatGPT, somebody has already, big company have built ChatGPT. Why will somebody try to use your app ChatGPT? Again, you will try to build a app, AI voice cloning app like that person, and you will think that your AI apps will make 100k plus revenue in a month or a profit in a month. So you are wrong, because the thing is that app is already built before. The man which had built that app has built when nobody has built that app. So that's the thing. You think of the idea that has never been before, and think that what is the purpose of you, how much value that will provide to the society, and think of long term. If that does not evoke emotions, that also fine, but it should be very useful. The app should be either help in workforce or it should be in help in emotions, people emotions. Okay, so if you try to do in emotions, it will be useful. And also if you will help people to become faster at their job, that is also good. Great. That is the advantage of right now, that you can build apps that has never been before, and few years ago this was not possible. So take the advantage of this wave. And also how I will work it in long term, that when I will start earning more than 20k or 30k plus monthly profit, then I will start hiring people, not in quantity. We will hire it in quality peoples that are really good at what they do. So we will be learning and we will be updating our knowledge on machine learning and AI, all this stuff, and all the new research is coming, and we will innovate. So when 5 years later, 2 years later, big companies will try to compete with us, we are already doing breakthroughs and we are on the forefront of this. Okay, hopefully you are understanding this. Step 6. Now you know that the app should have this much qualities and we are thinking in long term. So another step is that we will make an app that we could charge $50 per user. Okay, so you can charge $50 per user because it is either useful in the workforce for people, and or it will be either useful in emotionally to the people. So in both cases they will pay $50 easily. So that's the another rule for us, so that's the another step for us. So in order to do that, you first need to build AI apps, and in order to do that also, you need to first learn machine learning. So how you will learn machine learning? Click on the link in the description and go and sign up my newsletter, and I will send you the roadmap to learn machine learning, which I am also following too. That is the fastest path to learn machine learning without any jargon. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next video.